Hey, this is Keith Perhac, CEO of SegMetrics. If you run an agency, you've lived this. You sign a new client, and the first thing you do is spend 2 hours rebuilding the same dashboard you already built for your last client, and the client before that, and the one before that. You copy widgets, you tweak filters, you forget one metric, and you have to go back and fix it. Every new client means the same grunt work, and it never quite looks the same twice. So some platforms give you starter templates, but they're kind of generic. They don't match how your agency reports, so you end up ripping them apart anyways. We built something to fix that. Let me show you. All right, so here's a client dashboard I've already built out. It's got over 20 custom widgets, acquisition, LTV, ROAS, the works. It took a lot of time to really get right, and it's exactly what I want every new client to start with. So instead of copy pasting this or rebuilding it, I'm just going to save it as a template. So I'll click this menu next to the dashboard name, and I'm going to do export to template. And just a quick note, this option only shows up when you're logged into your agency account. Clients don't see it. All right, so now I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to call this My Agency ROAS Tracker, and I'm going to spell agency correctly. All right, I'm going to give it some tags. I'm going to give it the add tag, and I'm going to give it a short description, My Awesome Dashboard. And then I can also do setup instructions so my team or my clients know what they're looking at when they find it. All right. And then I'm going to have this to have it be visible to all my clients. Otherwise, it's just visible to my agency team. All right. So now I'm going to click Save as Template. And now whenever anyone creates a new dashboard, you, your team, or your client, they'll see this window. And they can start from scratch. They can use one of the pre-built options, or they can pick from your agency templates. And your agency templates only show up for clients that you've shared them with. And anyone on your team can search the agency tab or favorite a template, so it's always one click away. So your clients see what you want them to see, and your agency team has everything at their disposal. Back in your agency admin panel, you've got a full list of every template you've created. You can see which clients are using each one, grab share links, and update templates all in one place. Here's where this starts to compound. Because making a new template takes seconds, you can build dashboards into your actual service tiers. Your starter clients get a clear overview dashboard. Your premium clients get a deeper analytics suite. You can build templates by industry, one for e-com, one for course creators, one for SaaS. And because they're all templated, every person at your agency is working from the same system. No more, oh, I set up that client differently. And that's agency dashboard templates. If you want to try this with your own client data, you can start a free trial at segmetrics.io. I'll see you there.